This is Malik here. I'm representing a company of Ramki Estates and Farms Limited. Ramki Estates and Farms Limited is basically an arm of Ramki Group. So we are into residential development of residential, commercial, IT companies and mall and multiplexes. And so this is the moment which we are launching the project called Ramki Elite, Ramki Towers Elite. It is a part of Ramki Towers, which we spread across almost around 808 acres, 13 acres of land. And we are constructing almost around 580 apartments. So we are spread across around 6 towers plus 1 commercial building. Ramki Elite, which we are launching, it's a part of Ramki Towers. So project has got almost two towers, and it is going to be around 20 floors. And there are 64 dwelling units are here, and there are only 2 flats per floor. And it is called as a premium, or you can call it as an iconic project, kind of from Hyderabad. This is completely a light product, so which we catering to that higher segment of people actually. So like HNIs and people who are middle segment of entrepreneurs and NRIs also. So and it is even extended to even for self professionals and others in fact. And there are 3-bedroom and as well as a 4-bedroom simplex and as well as a duplex apartment which we are having. So out of 64 units, so we already sold 18 units in pre-launch offer. So and so these 2 towers is almost 70% is completion is that, and overall project we are going to get in completed by March 2013. Facilities wise, it's a top-notch facilities which we are providing. So it is completely a gated community. There are 2 swimming pools. One is for ladies and for gentlemen. This is a separate pool for pools which we have, and as well as for the toddlers also. And the clubhouse consists of completely of health fitness center, and it has got a separate saloon for men and women, multi-purpose hall extended to the lawn. And it is fully fledged kind of a clubhouse. So whatever you say, so we have simplex is basically spread in 1 floor itself, and duplex is basically consists of again one above the one floor and 1 more flat actually in that. So it has almost around 4-bedroom plus, as well as other features like home entertainment room provision for that, and study room also in fact. So there are 4 rooms plus this is the one advantage in this. The basic it start from 95 lakhs as a basic thing, so then it may go up to for the duplex, so around 1.65 to 1.7. So frankly speaking, luxury doesn't have that quote for a price or something kind of a thing. So we are clearly clearly maintaining that the relationship with our existing customers with a harmonious kind of a thing. So everywhere there are ups and downs are there, but we have good doing very well in that CRM activity and all. And every year we are conducting that CRM for the meeting, existing customers meet as like connect kind of a thing. Current which we have this project Ramki Elite, it is spread basically that high-end customers and as well as elite crowd kind of a thing. And we are not concentrating only on the high-end segment or any kind of a thing. So we are spread across even that affordable and as well as middle segment kind of a thing also in fact in that.